Hello guys, this is Kelly Bratzer and this is R505 with Indiana University Southeast. And in this module we are going to be exploring audio tools that you can use in the classroom. We are going to try to generate ideas for classroom use after we've explored some of the audio tools. And then I would like for you to learn from your classmates and comment on some of their ideas and help them expand upon or improve those ideas. To open the instructions for this lesson, you're going to click on the link at the top. My technology tip for this is I always recommend keeping your tabs up here at the top. To open up new tabs, I like to right click and choose open in a new tab. That way I never lose the initial page where the instructions were. Another tip that I recommend is using Google Chrome. And I like using Google Chrome because you can keep your toolbar organized over here. To sign in, you click these three little bars right here and sign in to Chrome right here. And that will save your bookmarks bar here at the top. And any Google application that you happen to be using, when you open up a new tab, you'll click this Applications button and all of your Google applications that they have are available right here for you to use. And you're already signed in, so you don't have to worry about signing in multiple times. Alright, for our audio lesson, just go ahead and click on the circle to open it up. In this lesson, we are working on teaching concepts that support media-based tools. So we're specifically focusing on audio tools. I want you to become familiar with the various tools that can record audio. Some of the ones we're going to explore are Narrable, Blabberize, Vokaroo, Voki, QR Voice, Audioboo, and Kazina. I would like for you to explore the audio tools that are in this Symbaloo. All of the audio tools can be found at the top in the green color. So these are video tools on the right, presentation tools on the left, image tools over here, and then just additional resources that have to do with multimedia. You can click to open up each of these links. What I want you to do is just click around and see what the tool does. Get a feel for it and see if it's something you think you could use in your classroom. Vokaroo, you just click to record. When you're done, it gives you the option to email your recordings. So if you want to send personalized voice comments to a student, you can do that right here. Audacity is a free editing software. You would have to download it on your computer. So if it was a school computer, you may have to put in a ticket with your tech department to get that installed on student computers. It will allow you to record audio, but you can also edit it. So cut out parts, like maybe the student started to giggle and they don't want that part of the audio, so they can cut that part out. And they could produce their own podcast where they record shows or information to let you know what they understand. Podomatic is a place where you can record or host your podcasts. So over here are different episodes that I have. You can hit play to watch them, or you can create new episodes here. And this just records audio, so it's something you can have your students put together. Narrable. You can record your voice over top of pictures, so students can demonstrate their understanding of something by recording their voice over it. Here's an example. Alright, I don't know if my audio was coming through for that, but you just record audio over top of pictures, so students could take pictures of their artwork like this student did and then describe or explain their understanding of it. Kazina is really neat. What you can do is if students submit to you documents in Google Docs, you can add voice comments to those. So I'll go to my Google Drive. So here's a Google Doc. It was a cyberbully paper that a student was working on, and if I want to go through and give him some feedback, you can add in Google Docs what they call add-ons. So I would click on add-ons here, and if you don't have the add-on, you would just choose Get Add-ons, and it'll give you all kinds of options for add-ons. But I happen to have downloaded it already, so I'm going to say open this doc in Kazina. And it's letting me know that once I open this in Kaizena, I can add voice commentary and resource links to this document. It's processing the document. So I highlighted the student's opening sentence. If I want to give them comments on that opening sentence, I can do text comments. I can add a hyperlink. Maybe they don't understand how to write an attention-getting sentence, and I have a link that might help them. I can add that. Or I can just click record and give them some tips that might be quicker than me going through and typing or handwriting all my comments out. So this is Kaizena. Next up we have YouTube, which I'm sure you guys are all familiar with. But what's nice with YouTube is under the upload button, you guys also have the option to record from your webcam. So if you all have laptops, or you could even purchase webcams for $5 a piece. I got a classroom set of webcams for my students for $5 each. I got the lowest quality camera, but they work just fine. I'm using it right now, and it's not blurry. So I like that you can do that. You can also upload videos here, and the kids can edit them. And this is a good place where you can incorporate audio, so the kids could demonstrate their understanding of something. Next up is Soundcloud. One nice thing about Soundcloud is you can sign up or log in with your Google account, so no more new passwords or usernames to teach. For my high school students, I start the first week by having them create Google accounts, and any of these fun web tools that we go to, they know that they can just sign up with that Google account, so they don't have to remember a ton of usernames and passwords. Your students can upload audio files to the site, or they can create their own new recordings here. So again, another way for them to demonstrate understanding, or you could do little audio segments that you record and store here and send out to your students so that they can listen and learn more information. Voki is a talking avatar, so students can go in and design or create their own avatars. You can kind of see right here. And once you get started, now if you have their education account, it lets you even create classes. So if your students create these Vokis, you can keep track of them and have access to all of them. But you just record audio over these talking avatars. And if you want ideas for how to use it, they have a whole lesson plans tab that you can sift through to get ideas. Audio Boo